Why become an organ and tissue donor? Let's dive in 3, 2, 1. It's important to first know what exactly it means to become an organ and tissue donor. When you receive or renew your license at your local DMV office, you are given the option to make the legal decision to become an organ donor. A red heart will appear on your license if you choose to do so. Being an organ donor means that after you die, your organs and tissues will be legally available for transplant. From there, patients in dire need of healthy organs will have your donation surgically transplanted into them, most often saving their lives and extending their life expectancies. If that all makes sense, you're likely wondering, what impact would I have if I became a donor? This question is best answered by Mrs. Brianna Iacona, a mother, wife, severe COVID-19 survivor, and double lung transplant recipient who spent months in a medically induced coma before defying the odds and reclaiming her life.
Without that, my son wouldn't have a mom, and I wouldn't be able to continue being a mom. I wouldn't be able to be with my husband. I wouldn't have been able to go back to teaching, even though it was just for like a short. It gives people a second chance at life. And for somebody like I didn't have this choice. I got sick with COVID and it just unfortunately just attacked my body and you have no control over it. So you're hoping somebody is going to be generous enough and thoughtful enough to just check a little box on their license that says, hey, when I'm not alive anymore, take whatever you can because that could help somebody down the road.
In just the US, there are more than 100,000 adults waiting for an organ transplant, and every 10 minutes another person is added to the list. Furthermore, approximately 17 patients die in the US each day due to not receiving a necessary transplant. There are many misconceptions about organ donation, one of them being that doctors will let someone die if they know they are a donor. But this is absolutely not true.
So the fact is that potential organ donors get aggressive care for longer than non donors will because their organs have to keep working even after they've died.
You can find additional, accurate information regarding organ donation through resources such as Gift of Life, the Health Resources and Service Administration, or Donate Life America. So have a heart and give your heart and other organs to those who truly need it today by becoming an organ and tissue donor.